So earlier we studied about Samsung that it's going to release 4 different Note 10 models this August, and it come out to be the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, which is the pricier Note model for the upcoming phablet series. Now some more information has started emerging out, and first things first, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G is happening for sure, so that checks 1 out of 4 boxes for this premium lineup. The rest still needs some sort of confirmation, and we also have to collect some important stuff regarding that. Right now, we have the symmetrical portion of Note 10, which is raising questions in our mind that what it actually means. Ice Universe says DaVinci is symmetrical, and for those who don't know, DaVinci is the code name for the unreleased Note flagship. Some people say that it could be like the Note 10 will have similar bezels, or at least the top and bottom bezels. The latter part of the sentence makes a lot of sense, as the Note 9 had a bit of a chin on it, so it's possible the design of the successor phablet will have thinner top and bottom bezels that match each other. Another repeating theme is based on no physical buttons for the Note 10, and it's totally fair as we have heard some rumors like that before. Then it comes to the camera cutout in the center that could help Samsung to distinguish the S10 from Note 10. The tweet is followed by a picture of the famous Vitruvian Man drawing created by Leonardo da Vinci, who is known for his inventions, so maybe Samsung is preparing for something to offer the Note 10 a kind of a symmetry that no one has guessed at yet. All after that, Ice Universe says that the Note 10 Pro 4G will have 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging support. It actually looks like a very reliable information, as we have an alleged photo of this 4500 mAh unit, and if you look close enough, you can also see the model number of the battery, which in turn can be linked to the model number of Note 10 Pro. Look, we're still a couple of months away from the official launch, so take this leak as a pinch of salt for now. It do make sense if Samsung uses a 4500 mAh battery as the Galaxy S10 5G model, post a similar unit, and it will probably be enough to power up the Pro version. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.